Hi everyone and welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your age on TikTok. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this in the future. Let's start. Open the TikTok app and go to your profile. If we click on the Edit Profile, a new menu will pop up. But in here, there is no option to change our age or birth date. We need to use another method. So follow my steps. You need to sign out, or log out of your profile. Click on the three lines in the top right corner of the screen. Then click on Settings and Privacy. And scroll down until you see a Logout button and click it. When you log out, click on the Profile button in the bottom right corner of the screen, and click on Sign Up. Now don't worry, we don't need to create another account. We will just use this to change our age, or our date of birth on TikTok. So change your birth date here. Click on Next. Now you can use your phone number or email address to log in back to your account. This won't create a new TikTok account. It will just log you back in with your updated age. So I'm going to log in with my phone number that is connected with my account. It's going to send me a verification code, so enter the verification code. And now you will be logged into your account, and your age will be changed. That's it for this video. If this video was helpful, leave a comment down below and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.